Mama Moonstar. Early Tuesday morning, about the 2 a.m. hour. The Monday before Halloween, October 2021, and we have rain. Can't believe it's raining. Actually, it's cold rain, but usually in the New York Finger Lakes, we have snow by now. So it's like amazing. Alright, all you YouTube people probably think I'm nuts, but it's crazy dark out. And no stars, no moon, and rain. And earlier this evening, I was up by the dirt road and heard the crickets chirping. Or maybe they were baby tree frogs. I mean, this is unheard of for New York State. Woo! Put my phone out and got rain on my hand. It can sound pretty when you're sleeping, but I'm hoping nobody's out in this cold rain tonight or trying to drive, because that could be a problem. Been a really rainy season up here in New York and the Finger Lakes and everywhere. Flooding and you name it. Anyway, woohoo! We got rain. Can't believe it. It's like Tuesday now, because it's like the 2 o'clock hour, so the Tuesday before Halloween, which is on Sunday, so that's like 5 days away. Crazy. Wild rain. And night creatures chirping as though it were late April, early May when we get our thaw from the snow. Alright, Tim's telling me it's done, Susie. He's baking stuffed bread, and can't you tell I'm drinking beer with him? Ha ha! Alright, love y'all. Catch you later.